Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change login password on iVisa account. So first we're going to go to our iVisa app. Then we're going to log in. So next we're going to click on our profile section. Then again we're going to click on security and privacy. Then as you can see there's the change your password option. We're going to click on it. So now we're going to insert our new password, then confirm it. So now we're going to click on update password. So as you can see, we've updated our password. So it's as easy as that. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.